there, thanks for stopping by. One of our favorite desserts is cheesecake, and I have a great recipe for a no-bake cheesecake. And the recipe originally came from a good friend of mine, Catherine Yoder. It was in one of these old church cookbooks, and over the years I've tweaked it a little bit. Sorry, Catherine. But it is definitely one of our favorites and our family favorites. I make it for holidays and for picnics and any time of the year, actually. You can add any topping you like, but today we're going to be making blueberry. And I'm going to put it in a 9x13, but it can also be cut in half and put into just a regular pie plate. So follow along. We're going to get started. Okay, this is a 3-layer cheesecake, and the crust ingredients are a 2/3 cup of melted butter and 1/2 cup of sugar and 3 cups of ground graham cracker crumbs. And it's nice to buy them like this, but you can also make your own with just a couple of sleeves of graham crackers. Just crush them real fine. But today we're going to go the easy route. And then for the filling, let me move these out of the way. For the filling, we will need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. You can also make your own, and so it would be 2 to 3 cups of the homemade. And then for the topping, you can just use a can of pie filling, or 2 cans for the 9x13, 1 can for a pie plate. But I'm going to make a homemade blueberry topping. It's very simple. And this is 3 cups of blueberries. And we have 3/4 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 3/4 cup of water. So we will start with the crust. So let's get started. Okay, to make the crust, I will simply put the ingredients into the 9x13 and then press it down really good. But I am actually going to bake the crust at 350 for about 10 minutes. I like the flavor of it better. It does not have to be baked. You can, once you get it all together here, put it in the refrigerator and let it firm up for several hours. Once the butter solidifies, it holds it together really well. But I like the flavor, like I said, of it being baked. So I'm going to go ahead and bake the crust and then let it cool. So we'll put our ingredients together. The 3 cups and the 1/2 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of melted butter. And then I'll just stir that together. Okay, now I'll press it down firmly. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to pop it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'll let it cool. Okay, to make the cream cheese filling, we'll just put in our cream cheese first. Okay, we'll mix the cream cheese and the sugar together. You just want to mix until it's completely incorporated. Then we'll fold in the whipped cream, whipped topping. Oh, we'll add our vanilla at this time too. 1 teaspoon or so. What we like about this cheesecake is it's a light and fluffy cheesecake, and it's not so heavy as some cheesecakes. Okay, now that's ready to put on our cooled graham cracker crust. Okay, to make the blueberry filling, we'll start by adding the cornstarch just until there's no cornstarch lumps in there. Now I'll turn on the burner onto a medium, and we'll add our sugar. And as soon as that sugar is dissolved, then I'll add in the blueberries. Now I'll stir it frequently just until it's thick. It'll take a few minutes. This blueberry topping is also great for on ice cream or pancakes. Okay, we'll just let that cook until it's thick and then we'll come back. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to bubble a little bit and it's definitely thickening up. I'll let it go for another minute or two. Now I did smash it a little bit with my potato masher just to smash some of the blueberries. You don't have to do that. It will thicken it even more as it cools. Okay, we'll shut off the heat and now add our lemon juice. Stir that in and then I'll let it cool. And it will be ready to top our cheesecake. We'll come back when it's nice and cool. Okay, our graham cracker crust is nice and cool. So now we will go ahead and put on the cheesecake filling. And just spread it evenly. I like to use a glass pan just so it shows off the layers nicely, but you don't have to. I just want it to go all the way over to the edges. I think that's good. Now we'll put on our cooled blueberry topping. And there again, just spread it all the way to the edge. Ooh, that looks so yummy. Look at this beautiful blueberry cheesecake dessert. You can make it completely no bake if you'd like. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to let it chill in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. That way we'll be able to cut it into squares if we'd like. We could serve it now, but we would probably have to scoop it out, which is fine. So I hope that you will try this recipe. It's delicious. I think it's going to be one of your new favorite cheesecake recipes. So check out the recipe and instructions down below in the description. And please make a comment and let me know what kind of cheesecake you like best. And be sure to follow along for more videos. Come back again. See you soon. Well, this is quite a chore. The package split, so now it's coming out funky. Let me clean my hands. It's delicious.